Hello everyone, it's Benny and welcome to my channel. For today's video, so decided to do this video. As you can tell, what I'm wearing today for Halloween costume this year. I am wearing big fossil wireless explosive. I'm so decided to wear this for my Halloween party this weekend. I always buy Halloween fancy dress, which is really expensive, and to wear it for one day for Halloween party. I never wear this in the future, so I thought I would use space on the party as big and DIY costume. I like to do something relative as DIY. So I'm ready to see how I deal with a whole tool. Let's go on to the video. Woo! and then do up video, but maybe special awareness explosive and little execute do visible last matter, and it's possible if I can help you of us the voice. You know, this is how I did with my whole team. I really hope this video will inspire you if you really want to dress up as special like me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween. Bye.